Hey guys, welcome back to Pharaoh Iron & Customs. Today is a special episode, Friday episode, because I didn't get y'all a Wednesday episode. We're doing a walk around on the old Ranger. The battery was flat, and I think I've got a leaking water pump, but I want to try to get this thing where we can put it back on the highway pretty soon. Anyway, it's a 94 Ford Ranger. Here, let me shut her down. Hopefully she'll start back. Like I said, the battery's flat. And, fans are not running. Okay, good thing I turned it down. Shut it down. All right, 94 Ford Ranger. A lot of the trophies you see in my shop are, I got with this truck. It was in a whole lot better shape back then than it is now. What is there to say about it? It's a V8. It's got GT40 heads and intake on it, the actual aluminum heads. Now it's hard to see everything under there. There's some cleanup that needs to be done. A lot of things I want to change, and I'll get into that in the videos. It's there you go. It's got the aluminum heads, and I can definitely smell the antifreeze somewhere. But it's a solid axle swap. Got a Dana 44, 513 gears, 37-inch tires, 37 1250s, 9-inch in the rear. It's got lockers in both ends. And like I said, it needs some work. I've already changed out the rear tail light. The tail lights. That one's missing some hardware. And I got to change out the front of the headlights because they're kind of rough on getting that stuff inspected now with the blacked out headlights and stuff, and tail lights in North Carolina. But right now there's no interior in it. The back window is leaking. I got to pull it out and reseal it, and I've got my headliner and all the panels and stuff to go back in the inside. And we're going to do a stereo build on this truck at some point coming up, I hope. Underneath we got extended radius arms. Transmission is a ZF5 out of a 3/4 ton. The range box is an MP203 out of a full-time four-wheel drive Chevrolet that's been adapted to the Ford transmission. Then there's an advanced adapters doubler kit and an MP205 behind that. Other than that, we've had to put a gas tank out of a short regular cab in here because the gas tank that was in here was hitting the transfer case because the doubler sits it back so far. But that's it, man. I can't tell you how much lift is on this thing. It's got 4.5-inch early Bronco coils in the front, and Explorer spring pack with an add a leaf and a, do I have the factory block in the back? It's a 3-inch block, so that's an inch higher than factory, so it's probably lifted a total of 8 inches or so. But that's it. And I'm gonna get this battery charged up, see if I can't find out where the coolant leak is, and we're gonna get this thing back on the highway. And like I said, we'll bring you a normally scheduled program on Sunday.